So over here I have a regulator system that is configured to the UTD Guardian configuration. As you can see over here, this is your the first stage, okay, and we have a 2.1 meter long hose, as you can see over here, okay, and a bolt snap that's tied onto the hose, okay. And we have a backup regulator over here, okay. The backup regulator has a necklace, and that's going to be secured around the neck, okay. The third piece over here, which is your SPG, right? The SPG is going to tell you your tank pressure, right? And as you can see, again, we have a bolt snap that is secure over here. And last, which is your inflator hose, okay? The length of this hose, I'm going to go through. The long hose can be, as we have explained, the long hose can be 1.5 meter, 1.8 or 2.1 meters. Now of course you can start off with 1.5 for recreation diving, and there's no harm using 2.1 for recreation diving as well. The necklace can be 22 or 24 inches, okay. The high pressure hose over here could be 24 inches long, and then of course your BC inflator in this case could be 22 or 24, depending on how long is your BC corrugated hose. Of course, we want to keep it as tight and snug, close to the body as possible. Okay. Now the next setup I have over here is a hybrid system. A hybrid system which could be used for both a back mount and a side mount, which is over here, as you can see, the UTD Alpha Delta systems. Now this system has been configured to be used for single tank back mount over here. It could be used for double tank back mount, as you can see over here, the setup, okay. And lastly, it could also be used eventually when you want to do side mount, okay. So let's look at the single tank side mount, single tank back mount configurations over here. Now the single tank back mount configuration, you will need the Alpha Delta hybrid system, a single tank adapter, the usual cam band. In front, you have an option of either using a back plate, or a Z harness, which has a top and bottom plate used for side mount system. Okay, I have added a distribution block or a isolator manifold, right, which you can see in all UTD side mount configurations. And over here, as you can see, the consistencies, right? The consistency over here is that we have our 2.1 meter long hose, okay? Your 22 or 24 inches, the LP hose for your backup regulator with the necklace over here, as you can see. Okay, the necklace. Your inflator hose, right? And of course, a single QC6 input system for your that air is going to be delivered from your tank to the block. Now, as you can see over here, the regulator system. The regulator system over here, this will be your first stage. Okay, this is the DIN first stage. Your SPG on a high pressure 22-inch hose, and of course your QC6 mil input. This will be attached to your tank first stage, okay, and the input will be plugged in into the QC6 female, okay.